Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am Pushpanjali and welcome to my channel. So, today we will learn about egg family. Yes, egg, egg. What is the sound? Egg, egg. Speak up with me. Egg, egg. Yes. Now, when we keep at the beginning of egg word b, then it become b egg big, b egg big. Kids, one thing you have to know, when we put egg, you don't have to read it by separately each other. B egg big. No, this is wrong. You have to read it egg together. Yes, egg, egg. And when you merge the three of letters, then you have to read it like b, egg, pig, b, egg, big. And then v, egg, wig, v, egg, wig. What is wig? The false hair is called wig. Yes, someone having no hair, they wear the false hair. That is called wig. So when we put va, it become va egg wig. Then when we put pa, it become pa egg pig. Pig is a animal. Yes, pa egg pig. Egg, dig. What is dig? Dig, when we put some seeds on the soil for the plant, then it is called dig. Okay, we use the shovel to dig the soil. This is egg, dig. Egg, dig. Next word is, now review all the words. Big, ba egg big, va egg wig, va egg wig, da egg dig, da egg dig, pa egg pig, pa egg pig. Okay, so we have learned about egg family words. Okay, when you merge the three words together, you don't have to read it separately. You have to read it like egg. Egg on your mind. This is egg. And now join with the first letter. When we join the ba, it become big. Va, wig, da, dig, pa, pig. Okay. I hope this video is useful for you. Now please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.